Then the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, again recorded in Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 804 and 804a. The Prophet ﷺ, it's a long hadith, and this same hadith is recorded in other books of the Sahasita, like you have it in Tirmizi and other places. The Prophet ﷺ, the last part of this hadith I am saying from Sahih Muslim, hadith number 804 and 804a. The Prophet ﷺ said, the magicians can never confront Surah Baqarah. Subhanallah. If there are people who fear that a magic spell has been performed against them, the Prophet said, if you read Surah Baqarah, recite Surah Baqarah, the magicians can never confront Surah Baqarah. Meaning it's a weapon against the magicians and their spells. Muawiyah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he even gave an explanation to it, which was explained by Imam Muslim rahimahullah and Imam Tirmizi rahimahullah themselves. They said this surah, the word used as confrontation for magician's spell, the same Arabic word, it also means laziness. A person feeling very heavy in his condition in life, whether it is laziness of work, whether he feels burdened to do something. So Imam Muslim and Tirmizi rahimahullah, both of them, they said that this surah, the hadith, it means it relieves you from those type of burdens also. It relieves you from those pressures of life also. So Surah Baqarah is also a remedy to remove these things.